Okay, we have two different mulberry types. This is the one that I put at number 4 on, which is, and then this one is a number 3, which is, all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna up pot these. I think these are gonna get the smaller of the containers, the number 4s. Number 3s are kind of bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, all I'm gonna do is dig this out. I have a video of taking these cuttings, I believe, up. If not, I need to find the video and put that somewhere. And cut right here. Right here. Perfect. So all I'm doing is I'm going to take this, tons of roots. They got kind of compacted. Just rough it up a little. Put it in the container. That one is then up potted. Now I'll go to the next one. This one has a long root. I'm going to try to put it in the next biggest one. I may go ahead and just cut that one off. Actually, so gentle. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and dig that out. There we go. And this is the last one of the number 3s. Yeah, these roots went crazy on these. Alright. Go ahead and just move it to the side. Put that in. That one's done. These little containers work perfect for this. I know I had a couple die, I believe, but we've had some weird weather and I haven't really kept up with them like I should. There's some stuff on the top here that I don't like. Stuff at the bottom. I'll just put more soil on the top. This is number 4. These definitely didn't root near as well as the others, but hey, they look pretty good. Now I'll have to water these in, and that's all I have to do. It's not very hard to up pot these. These things will spring to life real nicely after this, I'm sure. I don't know if I'm going to plant them this year. I'll probably grow them until they get big enough to need a transplant again, and then I'll probably try to get them bigger. It's not this tree. That's what are they called? Hackberry. Not a big fan of those trees. I know they have some edible things or something on them, I think, but yeah, not my favorite. They fall apart and die, and like way more than most trees. Alright, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Apparently these chairs are getting kind of old and I just started falling through it, so I survived. But anyway, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm gonna put this one out probably pretty quickly. I will have my pomegranate video up shortly. I'm still editing it, but this one should be an easy video to edit and get out to y'all. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Bye.